Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing this look, which is basically just focusing on base and lips, and I think that it turned out great. And if you want to see how I did this, just keep on watching. So today I'm starting off with my base, and I'm going to take the Glow Milk from the Beauty Crop, and this is in the color Love You So Matcha, and I'm gonna put this on like my cheeks, on the high points of my face. And I'm taking the sponge from Hallberg Cosmetics to blend it out. This color is obviously a bit dark, so that's why I look so freaking dirty. But we're gonna cover this up with foundation, so I think we'll be alright. So, the next step is taking the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer and the NYX Total Control Drop foundation, and I will be mixing these two and putting them on my face. And again with the sponge from Hallberg Cosmetics. Next I'm going in with concealer, and I'm taking the Milessis Active Eyelight from Emite Makeup. And next I'm going in with the Lumene Sheer Finish Loose Powder. And next I'll be doing my brows, so I'm taking the Paradise Pomade Extatic from L'Oreal Paris. And next I'm taking the clear eyebrow gel from the Browgal, and I'm running this through my brows as well. Next I'm just gonna put a bit of definition in my crease, so I'm taking the Infinity palette by Hallberg Cosmetics. And I'm gonna take the color Maffei and put this in my crease. And next I'm gonna take the color Milky Way and put this right under my, like on my brow bone. Obviously you can still see a bit of that glow milk still, but I want to enhance it. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and like do my face. So I'm taking the, oh my god! So I'm taking the Infinity palette and the colors Maffei and Cigar, and I'm bronzing and contouring using these. For blush, I am, as usual, taking the color Andromeda from the Infinity palette. And for highlight, whoosh, my lord. And for highlight, I'm going back in with Milky Way. And now I'm taking the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm taking the color Tempera, and I'm putting this on my lid just to brighten it up a bit. And now I'm going back in with the Infinity palette. And taking the color Maffei, I will put this underneath my lash line as well. Well, under my bottom lash line. And now I'm taking Milky Way again, and I'm gonna put this on my inner corner. And for mascara today, I'm taking the veryme Extendalash Mascara from Oriflame, I believe. And let's see, last step for this look is just to apply the lipstick, and I'm using the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick, and this is in the color Stone Fox. So it's a gray. And so there we go. So I'm just gonna, they look blue though, right? Anyways, I'm just gonna put my hair up and I'll be right back. This is the finished look, you guys. Just focusing on base and lips. And yeah. I think it turned out great. Like I always say about my looks, I think that it turned out great. But yeah, I really like this, like basically bare eyes and a dark lip and just super glowy. I think that is so pretty. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and to leave a comment saying what you want to see next time. And I'll see you then. Bye!